Did AI steal our jobs or did it just remix the playlist? For years that question hung in the air, a mix of techno-optimism and genuine dread. We were presented with two futures, a utopia where robots handled all the work, or a dystopia where human skills became obsolete. The headlines were relentless, each one a drumbeat of impending doom. So what really happened? What's next for IT jobs in an age of artificial intelligence? Let's rewind to 2020. The world was already in flux, and then generative AI exploded into the public consciousness. Suddenly AI wasn't just a concept in a research paper, it was writing code, creating art, and holding conversations. The buzzword became a behemoth, seemingly overnight. Headlines screamed, "Will a robot take your job?" and "The end of programming as we know it." In IT departments everywhere, hushed conversations around the water cooler turned into serious discussions about career longevity. The fear was palpable. Fast forward 5 years and the story isn't what those headlines promised. But let's be clear, the landscape did change. Some roles were automated into near extinction. Those routine coding gigs, the ones focused on boilerplate setup and repetitive scripting, AI code assistants like GitHub Copilot learned to do that faster and with fewer errors. Many entry-level QA positions vanished as AI-powered tools became adept at running thousands of complex test cases simultaneously, even predicting potential bugs before they were written. Manual data entry and basic level 1 IT support were also early casualties, replaced by intelligent automation platforms and sophisticated chatbots that could resolve issues instantly. The ground had undeniably shifted. But here's the twist. While some doors closed, entire new wings of the industry were built. The demand for IT talent didn't just stay high, it skyrocketed, but for roles that required a new kind of thinking. The focus shifted from manual execution to strategic oversight. Think less code monkey, more AI wrangler. Less about writing every single line of code and more about designing, guiding, and managing the intelligent systems that do the heavy lifting. Companies are now hiring for roles that didn't even exist a decade ago. Take the AI ethicist. They're the conscience of the algorithm. When a bank uses an AI to approve loans, the ethicist is the one who interrogates the model to ensure it isn't discriminating based on zip code or demographic data. They navigate a maze of new regulations and ensure that technology serves humanity fairly. Then there's the prompt engineer. This is far more than just asking an AI a question. It's a sophisticated discipline, blending linguistics, psychology, and computer science. A great prompt engineer understands the architecture of a specific AI model and crafts inputs with surgical precision to get reliable, creative, and contextually accurate outputs, turning a powerful tool into a predictable partner. We also have the automation architect. These are the master planners. They don't just automate a single task, they redesign entire business processes. They figure out how to weave together multiple AI tools, legacy systems, and human teams into a seamless, hyper-efficient workflow, fundamentally changing how a company operates. And the list goes on. MLOps engineers are in high demand, building the digital pipelines that train, deploy, and monitor machine learning models at scale. AI integration specialists focus on retrofitting existing software with new AI capabilities, breathing new life into old systems. These aren't just jobs, they're entirely new career paths forged in the fire of innovation. So what does this mean for traditional developers, network engineers, and database admins? It means evolution. The most successful ones didn't throw away their old skills, they augmented them. A seasoned Java developer is now invaluable if they also know how to integrate their applications with cloud-based AI services. A cybersecurity expert who understands how to defend against AI-driven phishing attacks and protect models from data poisoning is worth their weight in gold. The hottest skills today are the pillars that support the AI revolution. Cloud computing is non-negotiable. AI lives and breathes on platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cybersecurity has become more critical than ever, protecting the very brains of modern businesses. And a deep, practical understanding of machine learning principles, not just the theory, but the hands-on work of data preparation, model training, and evaluation, is the new gold standard. The key is knowing how to make AI work for you, not against you. This means embracing lifelong learning through online courses, certifications, and most importantly, by building things. But what about the people who didn't adapt? Some did leave the tech industry finding their analytical skills were in high demand in fields like finance or healthcare, but many others simply shifted their focus to areas where humans still reign supreme. they moved into managerial roles because leading a team of engineers requires empathy, mentorship, and strategic vision, qualities an AI can't replicate. They found new homes in creative roles like UX/UI design for AI interfaces, ensuring that these powerful new tools are actually usable and helpful for people. Because let's face it, AI can't navigate complex office politics, negotiate a high-stakes contract, or inspire a team that just hit a major setback. These human-centric soft skills have become the new power skills. The biggest winners in this new era are the lifelong learners, the professionals who see change as a challenge, not a threat. They are the centaurs of the modern workforce, a hybrid of human intellect and AI power capable of achieving more than either could alone. For students and career changers today, the advice is clear. Build a strong foundation in tech fundamentals, but immediately start exploring how AI is transforming that space. Don't just learn to code, learn to co-pilot with an AI. After 5 years of AI dominance, it isn't a ghost town, it's a bustling, sprawling metropolis with vibrant new neighborhoods. There's the Data Science District, the Cybersecurity Citadel, and the MLOps Foundry. It's a city of endless opportunities for those ready to evolve. Bottom line, AI didn't kill IT jobs, it just changed the game. Stay curious, keep learning, become the bridge between human ingenuity and machine intelligence. With a little help from your AI sidekick, you won't just survive the future, you'll be the one building it.